Now I am going to discuss the concept of profit or loss percent. Profit percent means profit upon cost price into 100. That means we will multiply the ratio of fraction of profit upon cost price with 100 and we will get profit percent. Similarly, the loss percent is loss upon cost price into 100. For example, if I have been given that I bought a car for rupees 4500 and sold it for rupees 5000, find my profit or loss percent. That means I have been given the cost price of the car and also the selling price of the car, and I am supposed to find the profit or loss percent. To find the profit or loss percent, first I have to analyze whether I am making a profit or loss and then what amount of profit or loss I am making. So I will see that the cost price is equal to 4500 and selling price is equal to 5000. Now I see that the selling price is greater than cost price. That means I am making a profit in this. So the profit is equal to 5000 minus 4500. That means 500 rupees. Now 500 is the profit and profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price into 100, or I can say 500 upon 4500 into 100. That means 100 upon 9. So 100 upon 9 is the percentage of profit that I am making, or I can say it is equal to 1, then again 10, 1.11%. So it is 11% profit that I am making while selling the car at rupees 5000, which I have bought at rupees 4500. So whenever we are supposed to find the profit or loss percent, we will first find whether we are getting the profit or loss and how much profit we are getting. Then we will divide the profit with the cost price and we will multiply it with 100 to get the profit percent. Now let us take another example. I have been given a question that Rohan sold a book for rupees 60 which he had bought for rupees 50. We are supposed to find the profit or loss percent. So again the method will be the same. First I will analyze whether I am making a profit or loss and how much profit or loss I am making. Then I will divide the profit or loss with the cost price and multiply it with 100 to find the profit or loss percent. Now we see that the cost price is, he had bought the book for rupees 50, so the cost price was 50 rupees, and he sold the book for rupees 60, so selling price is 60 rupees. Now we see that the selling price is greater than cost price. That means Rohan is making a profit in this deal. So profit is equal to SP minus CP, or 60 minus 50, that is 10, or we can say profit percent is equal to 10 upon cost price. Cost price is 50 into 100. So we will get 20%. So we can say the Rohan is making a profit of 20% in this by selling the book at rupees 60 which he had bought at rupees 50.